Picture this. You're standing at the foot of the Swiss Alps, the air crisp, the mountains glowing with golden autumn hues. Sounds like a dream, right? But hold on, planning a trip to Switzerland in September isn't as simple as booking a flight and packing a jacket. Why should you keep watching? Because I'm about to uncover the weather surprises, cost traps, and hidden secrets that could make or break your trip. Let's dive into why September in Switzerland is a unique adventure and what you need to know before you go. Why September in Switzerland? Imagine walking through a quiet Swiss village, crisp leaves crunching under your boots, and no crowds ruining your view. September is Switzerland's golden month, the sweet spot between summer and winter. Warm days, cool nights, and mountains glowing with autumn colors create postcard-perfect scenes. The lakes shine like mirrors, reflecting fiery reds and golds of the Alps. Even better, the tourist rush is over, so you can enjoy famous places like Lake Geneva or Jungfraujoch in peace. But here's the twist. September has surprises. The weather changes fast, costs can rise, and only smart travelers know the tricks. Ready to unlock them? Your perfect Swiss trip starts here. The weather. Ever wondered what it feels like to experience all 4 seasons in just one day? That's exactly what September in Switzerland offers. A mix of sunshine, crisp air, sudden rain, and even a touch of early snow in the mountains. The climate is as surprising as the country's famous chocolates, keeping every traveler on their toes. Picture yourself walking through Zurich in mild sunshine, then taking a train to Lucerne where clouds roll in, only to later find yourself in the Alps with chilly winds brushing against your face. Sounds like an adventure, right? That's why September is both exciting and unpredictable. Temperatures usually range from 15 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. In big cities, while the Alps dip lower, averaging 8 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius, 46 degrees Fahrenheit to 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Nights, they can get quite cold, dropping to 5 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit, or below in higher spots. So what's the secret to enjoying it all? Layers. A warm sweater, a waterproof coat, and sturdy shoes are your best friends. Toss in a compact umbrella too, because rain showers often make surprise visits, especially up north. And here's the twist. Head south near Lugano and you'll feel Mediterranean warmth, with highs around 23 degrees Celsius, 73 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, Zermatt might greet you with frost at sunrise. The key is preparation. Pack smart and check weather apps like Meteo Swiss before heading out. September's skies may be unpredictable, but that's part of Switzerland's magic. Costs? Is September budget-friendly or a wallet buster? Switzerland isn't cheap. Let's get that out of the way. From hotels to hot chocolate, prices can make your eyes water. But here's the good news. September is shoulder season, meaning you can score deals that aren't available in peak summer or winter. Tempted to book already? Hold off until you hear about the costs and how to save big. Hotels and Airbnbs in September are generally 10 to 20% cheaper than in July or August. In Zurich, a mid-range hotel might cost $150, $250 per night, compared to $200, $300 in peak season. Hostels and guest houses in smaller towns like Interlaken can go as low as $50, $80 per night. Want a secret hack? Book accommodations in lesser-known towns like Lauterbrunnen or Appenzell for lower prices and authentic vibes. Swiss food is delicious but pricey. A simple meal at a restaurant can set you back $20, $40 per person. Fondue or raclette? Expect to pay $25, $50 for 2. Here's a money-saving tip. Head to local supermarkets like Coop or Migros for fresh bread, cheese, and meats to make your own picnic. Switzerland's trains are world-famous for their efficiency and views, but they come with a hefty price tag. A one-way ticket from Zurich to Interlaken can cost $50, $80. Want to save? Get a Swiss travel pass which offers unlimited travel on trains, buses, and boats for a set period. Curious about hidden costs? Watch out for tourist taxes, around $2, $5 per person per night. And pricey attractions like Jungfraujoch, where tickets can hit $200. Plan your budget carefully to avoid surprises. Hidden secrets to make your trip unforgettable. Now, let's get to the juicy part, the secrets only locals and seasoned travelers know. The kind of insider tips that turn a Switzerland trip from great to legendary. Want to see the country in a way most tourists never do? Here's how. First, explore off-the-beaten-path villages. While everyone flocks to Lucerne and Zermatt, hidden gems like Gruyères and Mürren offer a taste of authentic Swiss life. In September, Gruyères is a paradise for cheese lovers. Imagine sampling fresh cheese at the local factory before hiking through golden autumn hills. Mürren, meanwhile, is perched high in the Alps and delivers sweeping views of the Eiger and Jungfrau peaks without the overwhelming tourist crowds. Next, don't miss festivals that fly under the radar. September is festival season, and events like the Des Alpes, a vibrant cow parade where herds decorated with flowers and bells descend from the mountains, are pure magic. Head to Charmy or Appenzell to witness this tradition firsthand. Wine lovers? The Lugano Wine Festival lets you sip local Ticino wines under fairy lights by the lake, a memory that feels like stepping into a storybook. Then comes hiking heaven. September's cooler temperatures create the perfect stage for trails like the Oeschinensee Lake hike or the Matterhorn Glacier Trail, both less crowded and painted with autumn colors. Pro tip: download the Schweiz mobile app for reliable maps and trail ratings, but always check conditions since higher routes can close early due to snow. And here's the secret every budget traveler needs: free activities that save money without sacrificing beauty. Cities like Zurich and Geneva offer free walking tours guided by locals, while Lake Thun and Lake Lucerne provide stunning shorelines for peaceful strolls. Want something unforgettable at zero cost? Visit the Rhine Falls near Schaffhausen, Europe's largest waterfall. In conclusion, is September right for you? So, should you visit Switzerland in September? If you love crisp air, fewer crowds, and vibrant landscapes, September is a fantastic time to go. The weather is generally pleasant, costs are lower than peak season, and hidden gems like festivals and hiking trails are at their best. But you need to be prepared for unpredictable weather. Plan your budget wisely and seek out those lesser-known spots to make your trip truly special. Still wondering if it's worth it? Imagine sipping hot chocolate in a cozy alpine cafe surrounded by golden mountains with no one photobombing your perfect shot. That's September in Switzerland. Pack smart, plan ahead, and get ready for an adventure you'll never forget. Ready to book? Go for it. But don't say I didn't warn you about the rain.